Hey guys, we've got big updates on LeverageX. Now, if you do not know about LeverageX, I highly recommend that you go check out my previous video. I do have a link to that down in the description below. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight on into the news. LeverageX, or at Javsphere over on Twitter, is now over 3,300 followers. And the community for this is growing exponentially. There are two competitions, the first of which is already now underway, but you still have time. You can still enter in on this. The total prize pool we're looking at between the two competitions is 10,000 USDT, where the first competition up for stakes is 3,000 USDT. That's going to be awarded to the community as well as individual traders. And then the second competition is 7,000 USDT. So there are different teams being formed. I have my own team. I would love it if you guys come and join in on my team. I'm going to show you what's going on with my trades as well. And please keep in mind that with this first test, this first competition, it is on the test network, the test net. So because of that, it's not actually requiring you to put up any capital, which means that you're getting also complimentary tokens to play around with. You get to explore more of the platform, see what you like about it, be able to give user feedback to the actual development team behind this project, and just overall try to have a good fun time. So really, you're not really risking anything here. If you guys want to join in on this, do keep in mind you have to connect your wallet. If you have any concerns about that, of course, you can always make additional wallets. Just keep yourselves safe. And then also look at what they have to offer, because this has a lot in play. One of the biggest features of this is how big the leverage trading is. So I'm going to go ahead and go into that in just a moment. But let's talk about some of the key elements here. So first off, the competition, the official start for it was October 1st. We just had access over the beginning of this week for those test funds. So now you actually have it in your profile. You can play around with it. And then the actual first competition is going to end on October 29th. So trading is active. As far as for how many people already are joining in on this, you have 2,696 traders. There are 62 communities. There are 6,000 trades with $2 billion of volume. I mean, think about that, guys, right? With 62 communities, 2,696 traders, $2 billion in trading volume already. And then for generated fees, that'd be equal to $2 million approximately. So a lot is up here right now. The leaderboard, first place, you have currently Whiskers, and you're looking at them potentially getting the 1,000 USDT. Second place is Shadow with 400, and third place is Tiger for 100. You can scroll down here and see more information on what's going on with the communities, and then you can also look to see what's going on with individual traders. So there's a lot of potential here, guys. If you guys want to join in on this, again, I'll have the link down in the description below. But let's go ahead and move over here to the dashboard. So the dashboard is something that's very easy to navigate through. It's very easy to get started. And with this, using the base network, you're looking at transaction fees being very, very low. So it's nice to have the ability to participate in things and not have to worry about breaking your bank in actually doing so. So as I mentioned, you're going to get some trading fees, or trading funds, I should say, that are going to be complimentary. These are testnet tokens. So when you go over here on the left-hand side with your drop-down menu, after you've accessed the dashboard page, you're going to see these ones labeled with X's on them. So in this case, for example, I have USDC, and I've already opened up two positions. You can locate those down on the bottom. I have one that's for BNB, another one that is for the XRP. So XRP, I went ahead and I'm taking it a lot more risky. Why not give it a chance there? And wait, what just happened? I think something just moved over. Oh, it's on a 1 minute chart. I think I had it on a different chart and it just swapped over on me. Okay, so we're gonna look at this on the 1 hour time frame. You guys can see with where I'm currently at that I am making some nice profit, right? So I went quite high for my leverage on this specific one. I went on a 50x long. You can see that down below. For BNB, I decided to do a 15x long. And again, I'm using the testnet tokens for this. It seems to be defaulting back to the 1 minute on the chart there. That's for BNB. And also, you guys can see how much is going on for the profit and loss. So for the profit loss, the BNB, I'm currently up 16.7%. The XRP is up 28.3%. Overall, looking quite well, but markets can definitely shift and change. So you need to be careful as you move within these market spaces, right? If I hold it for too long, I could end up missing out on this. But as of right now, as of this moment, it's actually looking pretty good, right? So you can also short. If you're looking to try and get in on that, they have both long and short positions. And for leverage, you can go all the way beyond 100. You can go all the way up to 150x. And then as far as for token options, they have quite a few, but keep in mind, they also have other things, not just crypto, right? You could also do this with stocks. You could do this with foreign exchange. You could do this with commodities. Guys, they've got a lot of options to play around with. So if you happen to go and play with this and you see that they do not have something listed that you would love to be added, I think now is a perfect opportunity to voice your opinion on that, try and get other people's thoughts in the community space to also jump in and suggest whether or not you have this or that. So again, you have a platform with really, really high leverage, but do keep in mind, please, that although you could make a lot more money using leverage trading, you could also lose a lot of money really fast. So if you're not familiar with leverage trading, you need to go do your research. And ideally, you would look for platforms just like LeverageX, where you can actually play with it and test it using fake funds. So why not just use LeverageX? Instead of trying to find another platform, you have everything conveniently here in place. And again, you guys, you can find the links to these down in the description below to be able to check out more information on that. So yeah, currently I do have a BNB position and I'm looking pretty good. It looks like it's up about $274. And then the XRP position is up $447. These are long positions. They are using quite a bit of leverage, especially the XRP. It's very, very risky on that one. And okay, I noticed. So if I click on the down on the bottom, the open positions like XRP, it'll actually swap over the price chart. And by default, it goes to the 1 minute. So if I go over to the BNB, it swaps over to the 1 minute. And then from here, I can go ahead and move it around. Like if I want to check it out on the 1 hour, for example. And yeah, things are moving quite nicely. I felt like now is a good time to go ahead and open up these positions. And I'm glad I'm able to show you guys how things are progressing. We'll see how things continue to move. Come on, BNB, go above 600. It's so close. Yeah, it actually did it while I'm recording the video. Yes, I like to see that. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, guys, let me know what you guys think about all this down in the comments below. You guys are awesome. Come join the competition. It is free to join. And you can also be on my team. Let's work together. I'm already looking like I'm moving ahead with this, and I don't want you guys to be left behind. Let's see if we can try and make something happen, and hopefully we can win with that competition. That'd be absolutely awesome. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new. Hit the thumbs up like button. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.